What is going on, you guys? Lyrics 1999's here. We've got this lawnmower all back together. Oh yeah, there's that fuel line we replaced prior. But yeah, we looked at the spark plug. I cleaned up the exhaust as much as I could. As you can tell, look at in sorry condition the exhaust. I don't know, are you guys able to see through the gas tank? Well, I'll just tell you guys, it's not that good. It's not that bad. I'm gonna replace this gas cap because it's all messed up. Yeah, fine. Oil, we are looking at. Okay. Oh yeah. This is broke. Oh, you guys remember that from the last video I told you. I'm gonna move my bike out of the way and we might run this. And we might run mine. Now, the next problem's gonna be is... Oh. Where's that egg carton? Oh, there's my gas can if you guys want to see. If you guys want to know what I use an old metal gas can for mine. It's kind of proper era. And yeah, there's my lawnmower, my favorite. Oh, here we go. Egg carton. That will, I think, might hold my phone. Will it? No! Oh, it will hold my phone. But you guys won't be able to see. Crap. No. How about crap. Won't work. Say curtains won't work. It's the wrong ones. Ugh. I wouldn't think I would have this damn problem because I don't have a, well, I have a second hand, but I'm mad at everyone in my family, so let's not go there. As I attempt to find something to hold my phone, for you're crying out loud, because I wanted to run Dad's lawnmower and mine today. Well, here's an idea. Huh? Who goes there? Alright, sorry you guys about that. Never use. Alright. Okay. So first thing you do, and this is also the tutorial how to run a Tecumseh if you have a lawnmower like this. What you want to do, and I'll show you the sticker. Here you go. So first thing you do is you prime it 5 times when the engine's cold. So there's 5 times right there. You only prime it 5. Depends on the type of lawnmower you guys have. I wonder now, can I do this one-handed? Because I'm left-handed. Didn't run not that bad, but need to clear up. That's your video for you guys.